Hello everyone, hope you all doing good. Welcome back to agrati.com YouTube channel, The Fabric Concepts. Let's go deep into what today episode is all about. So today episode is all about tassels or latcons. So tassels, we actually showed about a lace. So in the previous video, so this tassels are also the add-ons to the saris, blouses, mostly into blouses. In saris, they'll use it in a pallu. They'll use it in a blouses, lehengas, skirts. So this are all. I think in most Tamilians they'll use as jumkas or kind of thing, but it called as a tassels or latcons. So we have a wide range of tassels. Is a very low range of prices are very reasonable prices, and it's a good quality. Maybe some of the latcons are not last long. So this is the first model. So we have in a different colors, a peach color, royal blue, a green color. The three colors are available in this. Black is also available. So you can see it in the video. So this is perfect for a blouses or a lehengas. The price is single is 90 rupees and the pair is 180 rupees. So and the another thing is, so it is same tassels like before, but is the design is different. So it will be in a pearl. So the pearl will be added to this, and pearl, and there is some different kind of add-ons is here. So this is also a perfect match for lehengas. So you can tie a knot with this. So you can place it in the knot. So if you are looking for any modern tassels with a pearl touch, you can buy this actually. So we have different colors as well, peach, brown, green. Not only those colors, we have in different colors as well. Red, white, royal blue, yellow, black, orange. So we have a different color. So we have 3 box full of this design alone tassels. So this yellow and all will be so good for lehengas. So if you want to give any modern touch to your old lehengas or blouses, you can add this. This will go for a last long. This will be last long. I can guarantee you. This pearl and this stitches are so good. And this is a black color. So if you are having any plain black color saree, if you want to add any latcons for your blouses, you can buy that. So these are the available colors in this particular design. So this single is 100 and the pair is 200 rupees. So these are 3 boxes of a tassel. So the another designs. So this design is like a threaded one. This is neatly have a cutter, neatly have a finish. This doesn't have a pearl, but it have a mirror in this. Wow. So this mirror give a reflection look. So it will be so good. So you have a different colors as well. Pink, blue, black, sandal, yellow. We have a different colors. Just see the finish here. See the reflection. So the similar thread one, but it's a different designs. Similar thread but different designs. So this is so good. This is so lengthy compared to the previous design. So we have different colors: peach, a pale fluorescent color, peach color, blue color. This is a peach color. You can see it is so nice. So the sequins and the thread and all is stitched so well. So you don't need to worry about their life. And I think we have a different colors in the same designs. Yeah, red color, the same blue color. We have a red, white. This one is a blue color. So this one is a red color. See the red color. It is so nice. If you are any designers, you can rock your client's outfit with this wonderful tassel. The white color is so beautiful. So it is so nice. So we have a fluorescent color, green color, red color, blue, white. So we have many different collections. I don't think so you'll be getting so many collections in tassels in a fabric store. So this one is very different one. I never see this kind of tassels anywhere. This is so nice. If you don't want to go any thread or any pearl kind of thing, you can go for this. It's actually made from fabric. The lower design is made from fabric. It's orange color. So we have an orange, red, royal blue, everything. So these are the modernized tassels. So if you want to go for any gold color for any vacations, traditional vacations, any marriage function or any any friends functions or any vacations, you can go for this. So this is golden color one. So if you want your bangles to be so grand, you also can add this tassels to your bangle as well. So I remember I saw some of the North Indians or some of the peoples are particularly use this in their bangles. So I think I actually that attracts me so much. I love that so much. So this single thing is enough for your blouse to make your blouse look grander. So nowadays the blouse charges are almost minimum 5,000 to 20,000 it cost for embroidery designs as well. So you can go for single tassels to enrich your blouse. So if you are a stitching bridal blouse, that embroidery is necessary, but if you want to do any normal thing, then you can go for this. So this price range are approximately 260 to 520, the single and pair. So you can visit our store for the prices and website. So see this is so nice. So you can see the shape here. So the different shapes. I think the oval, round and square, rectangle are the normal shape, but this shape is a unordinary, so it is so different. So the same is a one. So this is again a tassel. So this is also a big one. So there is a multiple arrangements here, sequins, threaded, that money thing and all. So we have 4 or 5 things here. That 4 or 5 triangles attached in one tassel. So these are the tassels we have. So apart from this, we have in so many different collections. So this is 265 to 2560. So this price is 145 in a single. And this is again a thread. I hope you saw in the beginning of this video the same design. So in this design we have a different collections, different colors. Yeah, this one, this two. So this two we have a different colors. Baby pink. So if you want to make any kids dresses for babies, but you don't want to go for any dark colors, you can go for the baby pinks. That will be so nice. And I show you some of the cloth thing, the same designs. We have a different colors in the same designs. So yeah, from laces to tassels to patches, we have more collections and more colors. You don't need to worry about the shades. So we got you. So this is the best seller product. I love this designs. This is single 95 and the pair is 190. You can see it in top. I never see this in anywhere. I never seen this in anywhere. Just see the thing. There is no clustered. It's only two thing. The one is a pole. The other one is a straight thing. So this is made of the plastic, but it won't break. I think I'll show you in the video. So this is a pure white, peacock green, rose gold. See, have you anywhere seen this golden color tassels? Like, I love this so much. I didn't see anywhere. So this is a blue color one. So if you have any modernized dress, you don't want to overdo with the tassels, you can go for this pink color. Just see it doesn't break. I'll show you. So just see the durability, it won't break. I actually did this over multiple times. As soon as I saw this, I did only this thing, because like I wonder how the plastics don't break, but this plastic is really doesn't break. So we have a different colors in the same thing. A pastel color, from darker colors to mild colors we got you. We have all colors, rose gold. So we have it in the pink. Yeah, I showed you earlier. All the tassels are available in our website. You can go and check it on the website. It's called akriti.com. I showed in the video itself. so you can go and check out there. Thank you so much for watching this episode, and thank you so much for a valuable time. So all these tassels are very very reasonable price, and we have a different collections. We have so many collections. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you.